Are you all ready for the spirit of marathon? Yes! That's the Josh! How is the Josh? How is the Josh? How is the Josh? Very good!
कब से रेडी है
Ready, all of you? आराम से
Marathon race of 2.2 kilometers. And yes, the signal for this event has been given by the chief guest. Yes, that's the spirit, students. Come on. And with the second category, 8 and 9 boys and girls, the senior secondary, 10th, 11th and 12th boys and girls. And fifth position. Yes, come on. See, nothing is impossible by our tiny tots. I can do it. Come on. You all can do it, children. Yes, very good. Very good. Come on, finish the race. Yes, that's the spirit. Come on. Come on. You have done it. Come on. Very good. That's the spirit, children. That's the spirit. Come on. Come on. You can do it. You can finish it. Come on, children. Yes, that's the spirit. Come on, audience, encourage. Yes, come on. Yes, that's the spirit. Very good. Yes, children. Very good. Well done. Very good. Come on. Come on. You can do it. Come on. You can finish it. Very good. Come on. Yes, that's the spirit. Come on. Yes, come on, children. Finish your race. Yes. Everyone is a winner in yourself. Come on. Finish the race. Very nice. Come on. Finish it. Finish the race. Yes. Yes, very good. Come on. Come on. You can do it. Finish it. Come on. Finish the race. Finish the race. Yes. Yes, come on. Come on, girls. Yes. Very good, Ninja. Come on, Sandesh. Yes, Ankit running with the spirit of finishing the event. Come on. Very good. Yes, Dhruv. Come on, finish the event. Yes, Shreya. Come on, Stan. Finish the event, children. Come on. Yes, very good. Apsara, we on. Niladri. Come on, Laksha. Finish the event. Very good, Sham. Come on, Hafsa. Yes, completing the event. Come on, girls. Girls, come on. Complete event. Yes, the participants completing the race, the marathon of 2.2 kilometers.
Mitu, very good.
Come on, you can
Very
do
good,
it.
Lakshya,
Finish
good.
it. Very good, come on. Yes, these are together, Sakshi and Sikshna. Very good. Come on, Anvi. Finish the race.
कोई बात नहीं, वो तो 90 में
Yes, come on, Ridhima.
अभी सुन,
Yes, please finish the event. Finish the race. Come on, David. Come on, David. Very good. Finish the race, children. Come on. Come on, Bhakti. Yes, very good. Come on. Come on, Kanishka. Come on, girls. Finish the race. Come on, come on, Aswini. Come on, children. Finish it. Yes, come on, Aravir. Come on, finish the event. Yes, all the participants are back. Finish. Yes, Divishri, come on. Yes, proud of you, students. Danu ma'am.
अभिषेक
Efforts. So are you all ready? Yes. So let's begin the prize distribution segment. The reward for work well done is the opportunity to do more, and recognition is the greatest motivator. So let's begin with the prize distribution segment for primary.
The third position goes to R.F. Chaudhary. Second position, Samad Trihan. And the first position goes to Divyanshu of class 4.
ग्रुप एक घेतला होता ना रस्त्याचा. सगळी पाठी बसते.
अशी राहू दे.
Yes, sir. Class 4 boys. Third position goes to Arav Chaudhary. Second position goes to Samad Trihan. And the first position goes to Divyanshu. Class 4 girls. Third position goes to Yatika. Second position goes to Dhamya Khan. And the first position goes to Tejal. Children, please give them the big round of applause. Our next category is class 5 boys. Third position Vedant Sawant. Second position Varun Sharma. And the first position goes to Chinmay. Class 5 boys. Vedant Sawant on third position. Varun Sharma on second position. And Chinmay on first position. Class 5 girls. Third position Srishti. Second position goes to Kanaka. And the first position goes to Niharika of class 5. Children, give them a big round of applause. Class 5 Srishti on third position, Kanaka on second position and Niharika on first position. Clap, children. Yes, children, they deserve appreciation. Come on, encourage them. Their efforts are marvelous. We also have a blooming stars for the constant effort. Class 4 category, Ramanuj and Darshit. Class 4 girls category, Ashmita and Ishani. So these are our blooming stars who have constantly put efforts, practicing daily, coming to school at class 5 categories goes to Shrihan Tande, Raghav Sharma, Angel and Khushi. Children, please give them a big round of applause. Blooming stars of class 5, Raghav Sharma, Shrihan Tande, Angel and Khushi.
So the blooming stars of the primary team, come on, we need to encourage them, appreciate their efforts, for constant efforts. And so now we move on to the prize distribution segment for the secondary team. The first category, 6th and 7th boys category. So on the third position we have Utkarsh Kumar. Second position we have Kunal Chand. And on the first position is Ajitesh Kumar. So 6th and 7th boys category, the winners of this marathon event. On third place is Utkarsh Kumar. Second place Kunal Chand. And on the first position Ajitesh Kumar. So this is the spirit of completing the event for the boys category, 6th and 7th. Congratulations, my dear students, proud of you. Come on, audience, let's encourage. They need appreciation. They need applause. It's not easy to complete 2.2-kilometer race. Well deserved, students. And now, we girls are not less. We are there for finishing this event. So, 6th and 7th category girls. Third position we have Siddhi Singh. Second position Roshni Naik. And on the first position is Manshika Sahu. Yes, let's applaud their efforts. The next category to be ready, 8th and 9th boys. Congratulations, my dear girls. You deserve it. So third position you can see Siddhi Singh. Second we have Roshni. And first place Manshika Sahu. The next category is all ready to come on the stage. The 8th, 9th boys category. On third position we have Yash Sharma. Second position Himanshu. Let me tell you, this all the three boys are from 9th standard. Representing the glory of class 9. Third place, Yash. Second place, Aryan Kola. And first place, Himanshu. Congratulations, my dear students. Now again, girls are set ready for the category class 8th and 9th girls. Class 8th and 9th girls, excellent running and you deserve the recognition. The third place we have Shino. Second place Ayushi. And first place Avantika Kandekar. The girls challenging the event marathon of 2.2 kilometers. Class 8th and 9th girls. Third place Shino. Second place Ayushi. And first place Avantika. Congratulations, my dear girls. Come on, children. Your claps will be the best rhythm to encourage them. The next category, 10 to 12 boys. The next category, with the most competitive spirit, the 10 to 12 boys. On third position, we have Shivam. Second position, Sahil Chand. And first position, that boy, Ayush Kumar. Yes. Congratulations, my boys. Great performance. So third place we have Shivam, second place Sahil, and first place Ayush Kumar. Now, the last category, class 10 to 12, girls. So girls all set to sit on the stage. Girls category, third place we have Aditi Singh. Second place, Julie. And first place, Priya Yadav. So finishing the competitive spirit for the Marathon 2024. The girls of category 10 to 12. Yes. See on the third position, Aditi Singh. Second, Juneli. And first, Priya. Now we also have blooming stars for the event who have put their constant So the blooming stars for the next category 10 to 12 boys and girls, we have Ansh Talwar, Aviral Kumar, Shreya Kazadar and Apsara Kumari. The blooming stars for the category 10 to 12, Ansh Talwar, Aviral Kumar, Shreya Kazadar and Apsara Kumari. So the last category deserving the blooming stars, and here we end the prize distribution segment, but appreciation of all the winners, and more than winners, it is the participants who deserve the appreciation. Winning is not everything, but your participation matters.
School NCS Club.
Good morning, NCS Karwar. I didn't hear you. Good morning, NCS Karwar. That was better. Before I say anything, I just want to know from all this blooming stars, what motivated them to get up and come at 7 in the morning? Because I can't get up so early. So well done all of you. A big round of applause to all of you. Principal NCS, Vice Chairman NCS, teachers, non-teaching staff of NCS, and above all, my dear students of NCS. It makes me really proud to stand here today and watch you all perform so well in the mini marathon. It is more about participation than winning. For me, each one of you who participated today is a winner. Also, congratulations to all medal winners, and I am hoping to see some of you in the station marathon which is on 20th of October. I hope it is not clashing with the exam schedule. It is very important for children to remain physically fit, participate in sports. That is what will give you your mental fitness and perform well in other spheres. For the last about a year and a half, I have been watching NCS very closely. We are only growing in every aspect. What I want to see next year is NCS Karwar winning the trophy of best NCS. Will we do it? As headquarters Karnataka Naval Area, I can assure you anything that you need here will be provided. And we would like to see all of you grow into model citizens and do well in your respective careers. Thank you once again. All the very best to each one of you. A special thanks to all the parents who are here today to encourage the children. And kudos to all who have organized this event, that is the NCS teachers and staff. Thank you so much. Jai Hind.
Thank you so much for your inspiring and motivating words, sir.
Faces on the stage. Congratulations, dear students. And let me congratulate the participants too. Because if you were not there, they would not be the winners. Right? So your role is also great. Congratulations.
15 खेलते ना एटलीस्ट अभी सर से पूछते भाई इतना बाकी नहीं हो पाएगा अब नहीं है भाई कैप्टन कमी सेट Take start. Yes, boys, come here. 1 minute, 1 minute. 1 minute, come close, come close, come close. कुछ बच्चे ने स्टर्ट्स पहने हैं, कुछ बच्चे ने स्टर्ट्स नहीं पहने हैं. फेयर प्ले करना है, रफली नहीं खेलना है. ज़्यादा नहीं, सिर्फ 3 कंसीडर किया जाएगा.
नहीं बोला था मुझे नहीं सुनाई दिया मेरे पास बोला क्या ऐसा हो गया
వచ్చే పడతా ప్లేస్మెంట్ కూడా बरं आमची कन्व्हेन्शन घेऊन किती झालं
Onto the ground. Come on, house mistress, on the ground. Sneha of Nehru and Induma from Nehru. The rivalry for qualifying for the finals in the inter-house football. Nehru versus Tagore. Yes.
भैया बॉल लेके जा रहे हैं, पास कर दिया, ये पास जा रहा है, ये पास मिल गया श्रवण मेरे को, कौन मेरा बॉल वो बॉल जा रहा है, और बस पास किया, नहीं नेहरू बॉल कोशिश में क्या गोल करने गिर गया, बॉल मेरा बॉल ले रहे हैं, अभी बॉल टैकल हाउस के पास है, बॉल जा रही है, पास मिल रहा है, 0 ऑल है, सो ये बॉल जा रहा है नेहरू उसके पास है, अभी आउट गया है, शिवम भैया is taking the has gave the ball, Tagore was taking the ball, नेहरू ने छीन लिया बॉल, अर्नव बॉल लेके जा रहा है, अंश के पास है बॉल, वो बॉल भेज रहा है, अमन भैया बॉल लेके आगे बढ़ रहे हैं, he's rushing, नहीं, श्रवण ट्राइंग टू टेक द बॉल बट नहीं ले पाए, बॉल आगे चली गई और टैगोर ने बॉल ले ली।
From any house, waiting for the goal by one of the houses. Let's see from where do we get the first goal? The Nehru or Tagore? Yes, it's very tough between Nehru and Tagore. Not giving up. Nobody is giving up. Let's see. Yes, Ansh Tanwar. Let's see whether Nehru does a goal now.
It's a pleasure to join you all as the commentator.
Yes.
Sayush Kumar.
Himanshu.
Ball intercepted by
Again, Anand Kola. It's with Ansh Tanwar. Let's see whether a goal for Nehru.
Akshan. Cross it. Will he cross the ball?
Yes. Let's see whether it's a goal. No, Tagore has got it back again to Nehru.
Will it? Oh, beautiful piece of footwork. And it goes inside. Who's there to take it? Oh, misses by a mark.
No!
Atrocious piece of defending there.
इस बार भी कोई गोल नहीं. Come on, Tagore and Nehru, audience are looking for the goal. Yes, देखो audience भी cheer कर रही है नेहरू और टैगोर के लिए.
Will Tagore turn the tide, Edson?
Again,
Pass.
striving
What
for
will
the
Ansh
goal.
do? Ansh goes through the defenders. Will he cross it in? What will he do? A beautiful ball to Aman. And it's good footwork. A good pass. Will he finish it? No, he doesn't. That's a great piece.